Cellular health determines the quality and longevity of our lives. This is a healthy cell. Inside the cell, we find the mitochondria, which are responsible for ATP energy production. As we age, the amount of energy produced by the mitochondria starts to decline. So how can we rejuvenate this process and produce more energy as we age? Let's see how NAD Plus can help. NAD Plus is naturally synthesized from vitamin B2 and vitamin B3 in the cytoplasm of the cell. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance within the cell where other components float within. Once NAD Plus has been synthesized, it moves into the Golgi apparatus. Here, NAD Plus interacts with nutrients from our diet, such as fats, lipids, sugars, and carbohydrates. As NAD Plus continues to function, it eventually converts into NADH, which is the reduced form of NAD Plus. Once NADH has been synthesized, it then moves to the mitochondria, where ATP energy is produced. The mitochondria have an outer membrane and an inner membrane. The space between these two membranes is called the intermembrane space. It is in this intermembrane space where NADH assists in energy production. NADH delivers nutrients and high-energy electrons to the outer membrane. These nutrients and electrons are then further processed by the mitochondria to produce ATP energy. In summary, NAD Plus provides cellular assistance by delivering nutrients to the mitochondria, where ATP energy is produced. Therefore, healthy supplementation of NAD Plus can rejuvenate our cells and maximize energy production, so we can live longer and enjoy a higher quality of life.